Hello everyone and welcome. In this presentation, we will discuss the significance of English for specific purposes, ESP, across several key areas and answer the question, why does ESP matter in the modern world? Our objective is to demonstrate that ESP is not merely a branch of language teaching, rather, it serves as a practical, essential, and often critical tool in the contemporary professional environment. The primary focus of ESP extends beyond linguistic knowledge to encompass effective communication in authentic contexts, including academic, professional, and workplace settings. By examining the importance of ESP, both teachers and learners can more effectively determine the objectives and methodologies of ESP instruction. This session will also provide practical examples to bridge theory and classroom practice, ensuring the content is relevant and applicable to real-world teaching and learning scenarios. English for specific purposes is an approach to language teaching and learning in which the content and objectives are based on the specific needs of the learners. It is not simply about learning more vocabulary. It is about learning the kind of English that people need in order to function effectively in a particular field. In many real-life situations, general English is not enough. Professionals often work in environments where communication must be fast, precise, specialized, and appropriate to the context. A doctor, a lawyer, a pilot, an engineer, and a business manager may all speak English, but they do not use it in the same way. Each profession has its own vocabulary, communication patterns, expectations and risks. So, ESP is practical, purposeful, and needs-based. Its main goal is not just linguistic knowledge, but successful communication in real situations. Why ESP matters in the modern world. The 21st century is marked by significant and lasting globalization. Disciplines such as trade, science, technology, law, medicine, and education cross national and linguistic boundaries. In each of these areas, English has become the principal medium for international communication, driven by historical, economic, and political factors that have established it as the global standard for professional interaction. English serves as the official or working language in over 60 countries. More than 90% of the world's most cited scientific publications are in English. It is the primary language for international law, finance, aviation, maritime navigation, and digital technology. Universities worldwide offer degree programs in English to attract international students and talent. In the global marketplace, professional English communication is among the most valued and marketable skills. Globalization requires professionals to work across borders, cultures, and languages. They participate in international conferences, collaborate with foreign colleagues, adopt imported technologies, consult global research, and serve clients worldwide. In such a world, communication is not optional, it is central. When communication is specialized, the consequences of misunderstanding can be serious. Sometimes they can lead to wasted time, expensive mistakes, damaged relationships, legal problems, injury, or even loss of life. This is why ESP matters. It prepares people not just to speak English, but to perform professionally through English. 1. ESP and efficiency. Efficiency means doing tasks successfully in less time, with less confusion, and with better results. In the workplace, efficiency matters because time, money, and resources are limited. When people use the right kind of English for their profession, communication becomes smoother and more productive. But how does ESP improve efficiency? A. It teaches relevant language. ESP focuses only on the language that learners actually need. Instead of spending time on broad topics that may not be useful in the workplace, learners study vocabulary, expressions, and communication tasks directly connected to their field. For example, A hotel receptionist learns how to welcome guests, handle complaints, and explain services. A medical student learns how to describe symptoms, understand diagnoses, and read clinical reports. A business employee learns how to participate in meetings, negotiate, and write emails. This makes learning more targeted and practical. B. It reduces misunderstanding. When workers understand specialized terminology and standard expressions, they can complete tasks faster. They do not need to stop repeatedly to explain basic terms or correct miscommunication. Imagine an engineer working with an international team. If everyone understands technical instructions clearly, the project moves forward more quickly. But if people misunderstand terms, ask repeated questions or interpret instructions differently, time is wasted. C. It improves workplace performance. Employees who have ESP training often feel more confident and capable. They can join discussions, write documents, and respond appropriately without hesitation. This increases productivity and reduces delays. For example, a manager trained in business English can write short and effective emails, conduct meetings efficiently, give clear presentations, and negotiate professionally. Without this training, communication may be vague, slow, or awkward, leading to lost opportunities. So, ESP improves efficiency by helping professionals use the exact language they need to complete their tasks quickly and effectively. 2. ESP and accuracy. In professional settings, being approximately correct is often not enough. Small mistakes in language can create major problems. Accuracy is essential when dealing with instructions, data, diagnoses, contracts, regulations, and technical processes. How does ESP promote accuracy? A. It teaches precise terminology. Every profession has its own specialized vocabulary. ESP helps learners understand and use this vocabulary correctly. For example, in medicine, infection is different from inflammation. In law, liable is different from guilty. In engineering, pressure is different from temperature. In aviation, takeoff and departure may have specific operational meanings. General English learners may know similar everyday words, but ESP teaches the exact terms required in professional communication. B. It develops awareness of professional meaning. Many words in professional English have meanings that are more specific than in ordinary conversation. For example, in legal English, the word consideration does not simply mean careful thought, it has a technical meaning in contract law. In medical English, the word positive may not always mean good. In technical English, words like load, stress, or failure have specialized meanings. ESP helps learners understand these differences and avoid dangerous confusion. C. It improves precision in speaking and writing. Professionals often need to write reports, explain procedures, describe conditions, or interpret information. ESP teaches them how to communicate clearly, precisely, and appropriately within the standards of their field. For example, if a nurse provides medication instructions using inaccurate language, a patient may take an incorrect dose, at an inappropriate time, or by an improper method. Precise communication directly influences health outcomes. Similarly, in law, a single inaccurate phrase in a contract can lead to legal disputes. ESP is important because it strengthens accuracy. It helps professionals say exactly what they mean, understand exactly what others mean, and reduce the possibility of costly or dangerous errors. 3. ESP and safety. In many professions, communication is directly related to protecting people, equipment, and environments. If instructions are misunderstood, warnings are unclear, or emergency messages are delayed, accidents can happen. ESP plays a major role in safety in areas such as aviation, medicine, nursing, engineering, construction, maritime communication, industrial operations, emergency services. How does ESP support safety? A. It standardizes communication. In safety-critical environments, standardized language reduces ambiguity. For example, aviation English uses fixed phrases such as, cleared for takeoff, hold position, maintain heading, emergency descent. These expressions are standardized because they must be understood quickly and clearly, even under pressure. B. It prepares professionals for high-risk situations. ESP can include training for emergency communication, incident reporting, hazard warnings, and procedural instructions. For example, a pilot needs to describe engine failure clearly. A doctor must report a patient's condition accurately during an emergency. A factory worker must understand safety instructions and warning labels. C. It reduces human error. Human error is often linked not only to lack of knowledge, but also to poor communication. If workers do not fully understand instructions, procedures, or warnings, the risk of accidents increases. ESP helps reduce these risks by teaching language in context. For example, consider a hospital emergency room. Doctors, nurses, and technicians must communicate quickly and clearly. If someone misunderstands a dosage, a diagnosis, or an instruction, the consequences may be severe. Consider the context of an airport. Pilots and air traffic controllers frequently have only seconds to exchange critical information. In such situations, effective English for specific purposes, ESP, can be a matter of life and death. ESP is important because in many professional situations, communication is not only about success, it is about safety. 4. ESP and legal responsibility. Legal responsibility refers to the obligation professionals and organizations have to follow laws, regulations, standards, and official procedures. In many cases, communication itself becomes legal evidence. This means that language must not only be clear and accurate, it must also be compliant and defensible. How does ESP relate to legal responsibility? A. It helps professionals understand regulations. Many professions are governed by legal rules and professional standards. Workers must understand official documents, regulations, policy guidelines, and compliance requirements. For example, medical professionals must document patient care properly. Business organizations must write contracts and reports accurately. Engineers must follow technical and safety regulations. Airlines must follow international communication protocols. B. It supports proper documentation. In many fields, written communication may later be used in audits, inspections, court cases or investigations. Poor language can create legal risk. A badly written report may fail to record important facts, create ambiguity, suggest negligence, or weaken legal protection. ESP teaches professionals how to write appropriate field-specific documents, such as incident reports, contracts, case notes, technical reports, and compliance documents. C. It reduces liability. Clear professional communication can protect both individuals and organizations. It shows that procedures were followed, warnings were given, and actions were properly documented. For example, in medical English, if patient records are incomplete or unclear, a hospital may face legal consequences. In legal English, unclear contract terms may result in disputes. In technical English, failure to communicate safety instructions properly may lead to liability if an accident occurs. ESP is important because language in professional settings often has legal consequences. It helps people communicate in ways that are accurate, appropriate, and legally responsible. 5. ESP and international collaboration. Why is international collaboration so important today? In the modern world, professionals rarely work only within local or national boundaries. Many industries are international by nature. People work in multinational companies, global research teams, international hospitals, law firms, airlines, universities, and engineering projects. English often serves as the common language that allows professionals from different language backgrounds to cooperate. To collaborate effectively, people need the specialized English of their profession. How does ESP support international collaboration? A. It creates a shared professional language. ESP allows professionals from different countries to communicate using common terminology and standard conventions. For example, scientists share research findings in English. Business teams from different countries hold meetings in English. Pilots and controllers use English internationally. Doctors attend international conferences and read medical journals in English. This shared language supports cooperation and knowledge exchange. B. It improves teamwork. When team members understand each other clearly, they can solve problems faster, coordinate tasks better, share expertise, and build trust. Without ESP, team members may know English in general, but still struggle with field-specific communication. C. It opens access to global knowledge. Much of the world's professional knowledge is available in English: research articles, training materials, manuals, policy documents, international standards, and conference presentations. ESP gives learners access to these resources and allows them to participate in global communities of practice. For example, in the context of a global health crisis, the effectiveness of an international medical team relies significantly on the use of medical English for sharing findings, reporting symptoms, discussing treatments, and adhering to established protocols. Engineers from multiple countries collaborating on a large infrastructure project rely on technical English to interpret plans, address challenges, and maintain consistency. ESP is important because it enables people not just to communicate, but to collaborate across borders, cultures, and professions. ESP is essential because it aligns language learning with specific professional needs. ESP teaches learners to use English effectively and responsibly in their fields. This targeted approach saves time, increases productivity, and helps professionals communicate precisely, reducing misunderstandings and errors. In many industries, specialized communication safeguards lives, equipment, and the environment. ESP also supports clear documentation, regulatory compliance, and professional accountability. By enabling effective collaboration across cultures and backgrounds, ESP plays a vital role in helping professionals perform their jobs confidently in business, medicine, law, engineering, aviation, and other sectors.